Thank you Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. If you want to create a beautiful website, an art portfolio, an online shop, a blog, and gated content for members, you can do it all with Squarespace. Use the code Caro Arevalo for a free trial and then use the same code to get 10% from your next purchase of a website or domain. Hi and welcome to January's vlog in March or in whenever you are watching these. My name is Caro and on today's vlog I'll be sharing everything that went down in January. A lot of new artwork, I painted a mural, I did some commission work. We also started settling down at our new space, so there's a chunk of home decor and art studio decor and getting the art studio up. So if you're looking to any of those things, you're in the right place. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you at the end of it. Welcome to January's vlog. We moved to this new space the first week of January, so this month has been all about organizing and putting everything in its place and finding a place for everything, as well as reopening my online shop. Today is our first Saturday in this new space and I just got a few packages arrived today and I really want to share this with you because it's three things that get me pretty excited. And today I want to start building the art studio. Everything is still just in boxes and covered up. I want to put up my pegboard and I need to get a new flat file because the one I used to have, I gave it away when we moved out of Beacon. I just got rid of it and it was such a bad decision. I regret that so much. But now I'll get a new flat file and I'm also thinking of getting a easel. It's been years since I've had one and I think it's time to get one. I've been just like pasting my artwork to the wall, but I think it's time to go a little more profesh, so I will be researching some brands for that. And let me show you what came in the mail today. I'm trying this company for the first time, so I really wanted to see the quality, see how much how good the quality was, and I'm pretty happy with these. But aren't these lovely? This is curcuma longa, turmeric, and this is aloe vera. I'm pretty happy with the quality that I got, so I'll definitely be ordering some more to try them out. Also, today I got some herbal and fungi medicine from one of my favorite brands out there. This is not sponsored, I just really love Anima Mundi. I got some euphoria, as well as coconut cream, which is one of my favorites. These ones actually for my dad. He's been dealing with a lot of liver problems, so I'm sending these his way. Then I got some lung tea tonic. This is for Evo, who has been coughing a lot lately, and this tea, we've used it before and it's so good for him. And my 7 mushroom adaptogenic, which I love and add to my daily cacao every single day. And last but not least, happiness tonic, which is full of this wonderful plants that really help with the winter blues, which is really a thing, and I realized that when moving to New York. So now I'll stop talking and I'll start getting all of these ready. some days I feel shyer than others. Today is one of those days. Today is Tuesday and my printer crashed. It came broken from the move. I was so lucky to work with this amazing moving company. They paid a very big price of the printers, so that really helped me in order to get a new one pretty fast. And you know, that was the one job that I had as soon as we were moving in, was ship all your pre-orders. So the new printer has arrived and I've been printing all your packing, all your shipping slips and all the calendars. Yesterday, of course, I didn't finish. Today I received more paper, more ink, and I'll just be printing away all your orders, packing. So it's going to be a shipping kind of day. Today is my third day in our new space, and today is also my third mentoring class with Ksenia. She has been mentoring me because for a while I've been wanting to step into making short video content like IG Reels or dipping my toes into TikTok. She offered to mentor me and be my guide in order to start doing short video content because I've been wanting to do it for the longest time, but I've also felt blocked. I tried one Instagram reel and then no one commented or liked it, so I felt fearful and I just jumped back. So I just blocked that area. I also feel that I love making content that is like slow pace. So I just thought that 15 seconds might be too short to do that. But I think that's also just a construction in my mind. So with Ksenia, we've been going past all these blockages to see where they come from, to see how can I feel comfortable and happy in doing this, because it's really something that I want to do. And today will be our third mentorship class. And I already opened my TikTok account. It's right here. But yeah, she has just helped me grow my vision on why I want to do this. I'm still getting the art studio ready, still no flat file, still no easel, but my birthday is in 2 weeks, so I think I'll just gift myself that. Today in the morning I shipped 48 orders that I packed yesterday, and right now I am making a little sketch because I will be making a mural for one of my favorite brands in the world, which is Cacao Lab. If you've been around this channel for a little while, you know how much I love them. There's a ceremonial grade cacao, and we are doing a mural for their shop here in Kingston. So yeah, today I'll be doing first the studies, then the mock-up painting for the mural, and it's been so long since the last time that I painted a mural because of COVID. I'm just over the moon, not only to be painting a mural again, but be painting a mural about a plant ally that I love and that I've been working with and playing with for the past almost 3 years. So I just feel so honored that they reached out, and I'm also a little nervous, hoping that my art is up to the level of their cacao. Yes. I did some watercolor and gouache studies for all the different elements of the cacao tree. The leaves, fruit, beans, flowers, and all. I won't be projecting the mural on the wall. I usually draw freehand when making murals, so all these sketches are to get familiar with their shapes and colors, so then I can feel confident when painting them freehand in the shop. I then digitalize all my sketches and work on my different proposals in my iPad using Procreate. This is the main idea, but we'll see if anything changes once I start painting at the shop. So first and foremost, I printed my sketch from what I will be painting. Here I'm taking my 2 palettes. And here I have all the brushes, which I'll show you once I get there. Here I'm painting with acrylics, so here I have all the acrylics. I have a mix in between Blix, Golden, and Liquitex. I'm also taking some masking tape, more sketches for the mural. Before starting the mural, Flo did a small ceremony to activate the space. We drank cacao, sang medicine songs, and shared intentions. It took me 6 days to paint the mural. As I mentioned, I draw everything freehand except for the circles. I start by mapping out all the big elements and making a background for them, and little by little I start tapping into the details. It was such a wonderful experience to get to paint a mural, which was pretty much an ode to my favorite plant ally, cacao. And not only to paint the mural of cacao, but paint it while sipping ceremonial grade cacao and hanging out with some of my favorite people. I also felt pretty proud of myself because when painting murals, I sometimes forget to take good care of myself because I'm only thinking of finishing. But this time around, I was so good at taking care of myself during the week I painted. I did yoga every day, meditated, stretched, and took breaks to eat all my meals, which I am very proud of. If you look closely, you will see there are eyes everywhere. Eyes in my work, are a reminder that everything is conscious, everything has a spirit, everything is looking and having an experience of its own. After painting the mural, I took a few days off to stay in bed and rest. And after that, I got right back into organizing and decorating our home, which is little by little starting to come together. And I finally received my custom ceramic palettes. These were made back home in Peru by my friend Aileen from Dos Rios Atelier. My dad picked them up and sent them to me. So I hope you enjoyed today's studio vlog, and thank you for sticking up until the end. Thanks again Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Make sure to use the code Arevalo if you're going to check them out to get a sweet discount. If you're looking at my videos and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. This really helps me keep this channel up. Yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you are staying creative today. And as I said, feel free to subscribe to my channel, to my Instagram, to my TikTok, to my Minds, and hopefully soon to my Patreon. And I'm going to sign off to get some work done. And happy rest of your day. I will see you next time. Bye.